Once you have everything done on slides 1 through 7 on the project guide, now it's time to start to add some of the things that can make your video more unique and stand out versus everyone else's. So the first thing is to add transitions, if you want to, completely optional. But when you click on a clip in your video one track, you'll see that there's little plus signs on either side of each clip. So if I want to add a transition from my text here into my turtle, I'm going to click a plus sign on the left side here, and that's going to add a transition. Now, by default, it adds a transition called crossfade, but if you click on this little button right here, you can change the duration, and you can choose which one of these you want. So there's a whole bunch of different transitions. Some of them are pretty goofy. I usually go with the cross dissolve, and it'll show you a preview of that when you play your video. I'm going to drag this back.
Our pet turtle.
See what that looks like. Actually, maybe I don't use cross dissolve. Maybe I use crossfade. I think then that was the one that came up by default. And let me see what that looks like.
Our pet turtle Herman.
There we go. So that one looks a lot better, I think. And you can also then just choose apply to all, and that way all of the transitions that you have will automatically become that same one. So you might want to just be careful though that your narration still matches up with your photos. It should, but it does take a little bit of the photo away in order to make it blend from one to the other.
I've been running.
And I do suggest that you pick one transition and apply it to all, otherwise it can be quite distracting.